In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, all parties Hurriyat Conference leaders Khwaja Firdaus and Sayyid Bashir Andrabi have strongly condemned the confiscation of properties of Hurriyat leaders and workers by Indian agencies. Khwaja Firdaus and Sayyid Bashir Andrabi, in a joint statement issued in Srinagar, said that India was using different tactics to suppress the ongoing Kashmiri freedom movement, but it would never succeed in its sinister designs. The High Court of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir has quashed the illegal detention of two persons booked under Black Law Public Safety Act and directed the authorities to release them immediately. A report released by Kashmir Media Service depicted that Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir is the highest militarized zone in the world, as over 1 million Indian troops remain deployed in cities, towns and villages across the territory to brutally suppress the Kashmiri people. Brutal militarization has created a humanitarian crisis in IIOJK. A veteran Muslim economist and former professor of Aligarh Muslim University, Dr. Najatullah Siddiqui, passed away in California, US at the age of 91. Meanwhile, the United States has urged the Narendra Modi-led Indian government to restore local elections and political rights in all the regions across Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Assistant Secretary of State for South and Central Asian Affairs Donald Lu, in a media interview, said, "I want to clarify that there has been no change in the American policy on Kashmir." The chairman of World Forum for Peace and Justice, Dr. Ghulam Nabi Fai, addressing the 6th International Assam Islamic Union Model Congress in Istanbul, has said, "The Kashmir will be chronically convulsed until its sovereignty is determined in accordance with the people of Kashmir's will."